So how are you going to fund your trust? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer, and I recently received a call from some folks who I did a trust for, and this was their question. They said, we want to take one of our bank accounts and make sure that that money goes into the trust so that the kids or the successor trustees after we pass away have working capital to do whatever needs to be done within the trust or to handle the property that is within the trust. And they wanted to know how they could go ahead and get this bank account into the trust. I'm going to answer that question for you just as I answered the question for them. So the issue is, when do you want the money to go into the trust? If you want the money to go into the trust immediately, all you have to do is go to the bank and then change the title on the bank account to your names as trustees of your living trust. At that point in time, then the record owner or the titled owner of the bank account would be, for instance, Guy DiMartino as trustee of the Guy DiMartino Living Trust. So that's one way to do it if you want the money to go and fund the trust immediately. On the other hand, if you would like that money to transfer at the time of death for either the grantor, who is the initial trustee, or if it's a joint trust and you have two trustees, a husband and wife, at the time that the surviving spouse or the last person standing passes away, then you go to the bank and you change the title on the account and you make the trust or the successor trustee the beneficiary of the account, and you have it as a POD, which is pay on death, or a TOD account. So pretty much two ways to do it. You can do it immediately, go and change the title to you guys as the trustees of your trust, or you can have the money transfer at death based on a POD or TOD beneficiary, and the trust will be the beneficiary of the funds in that account. Well, there you have it. If you have any questions about funding a Northwest Indiana trust, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.